Hello, this is Kathi Lee, Crafting with Kathi Lee. It is Sunday evening, late in the evening, on May 31st. I was going to complete my Freedom Threads Design Team Collab project over the weekend when I was at a retreat. However, I did not get to it because I left the paper I was going to finish it with at home, and I was quite a ways away from home, so I did not finish that, but I did decide to work on a project with the Strawberries in Spring collection. I did a flip through of that kit a while back, and I wanted a quick, easy, small project that I could get done and get posted today. So here you go. Here's my little folio I made. It's like a little flip book. I was inspired by a video, I don't have the paper in front of me, from a creative memories consultant that she did with one of their collections, but I used the Strawberries in Spring to make my collection. This is a design team project. It is a paid promotion. I do get my kits, my digital kits, at no cost so that I can print them out and make projects with them. So there's my little disclosure on that. Scrapping with Me is a wonderful store. They have a web store. They have an Etsy shop. They have three or four different subscriptions. Membership subscriptions you can become a member of. They have wonderful creative videos from the crew over at Scrapbooking with Me and also from the design team members. I do put the names of the design team members and their video or their YouTube names in the description of my video, so take a look at that. All right, so the Strawberry in the Spring collection, I made this little flip book, very simple. I will probably put little photos in here or maybe some strawberry recipes. I have not decided yet. And again, as with many of my folios and projects, if there's a blank spot on the page or a spot, you can put a recipe or whatnot on it. So I made a little belly band to start with a couple of the images. Very pretty. The strawberries are wonderful. So the first flip flips this side open. The next flip flips this side open. And again, this is going to be a quick video, like maybe less than 5 minutes, I'm sure, because it's not a huge project. This was done with two 12 by 12 sheets, I think, and just a couple of pages out of the kit. So I have oodles of paper left in this kit to make another project. Like, look at that. There is a ton of paper left in here that I can make some cards or some other stuff with. That's what's left of two 12 by 12 sheets. So I did not even come close to using my cardstock. I've got oodles of things in here. So I will probably make another project with this at another time. So, okay, so there's the first flip. Then I'm going to pull it down here. Here's the next flips are up here and up here. And can you see those bright, fun images? Okay, so again, I would probably put a photo on each of these, or maybe a poem or something. There's this nice blank spot here, this nice blank spot here. You could do it without covering up too much of the thing, or you could even add another flip right here. We could put another card that flips and put something on that. So I could take another piece of cardstock just like this, put it here so it flips up, so you'd still have that. But this is what I want for now, because I think I'm going to send this as a greeting card. Okay, so we had those flips, and then I'm going to put those up a little bit. And then boom, there's the last flip there. And again, this was inspired by a smaller little flip folio. I can't remember the lady's name. I watched the video, but I can't remember the name. So, and again, you could put the greeting here if you were sending it as a card. And that is it. How simple is this? Easy peasy. If you want the dimensions of the pages I used on this, as far as what size the flips are, what size these are, just let me know. I think I do have them written down somewhere, otherwise I'll measure them. So that's my quick, easy little flip folio with a belly band using Scrapbooking with Me Strawberries in the Field collection. Super quick video, less than 5 minutes. I probably should have just done a reel, but here you go. A quick little short video. Thanks for visiting my channel. Come back again soon. This is Kathi Lee, Crafting with Kathi Lee. Happy crafting. Thanks.